Positive childhood experiences. By delving into the pleasant memories, emotions, and beliefs formed during early years, marketers and copywriters can leverage the power of nostalgia, tap into deep-rooted desires, and create persuasive messages that resonate strongly with their audience. These experiences play a significant role in shaping beliefs, values, and behaviors, as they are often imbued with a sense of innocence, wonder, and emotional significance. By tapping into wonder memories, marketers and copywriters can access a treasure trove of emotions, triggers, and desires that are deeply rooted in the subconscious mind. Why use positive childhood experiences as a copywriter? 1. Emotional connection. Positive childhood experiences have a profound impact on our emotional landscape. By discussing and referencing these experiences, marketers and copywriters can create an immediate emotional connection with their audience. Nostalgia evokes positive emotions, trust, and a sense of familiarity, making the copy more relatable and persuasive. 2. Tap into desires and aspirations. Positive youthful memories often represent a time of dreams, aspirations, and unfulfilled desires. By discussing these experiences, marketers and copywriters can tap into the deep-rooted longings and aspirations of their audience. By aligning their product or service with these desires, marketers and copywriters can create a strong desire for what they are offering. 3. Relatability and identification. Positive childhood experiences are universal in nature, and many people share similar memories and experiences from their early years. By discussing these common positive childhood experiences, marketers and copywriters can create a sense of relatability and identification among their audience. This helps build trust, credibility, and a sense of belonging, increasing the likelihood of engagement and conversion. 4. Evoke positive associations. Positive childhood experiences are often associated with positive emotions, such as joy, innocence, and freedom. By referencing these experiences in copy, marketers and copywriters can evoke those positive associations, creating a favorable perception of their brand or product. This positive framing enhances the overall appeal and attractiveness of the copy. 5. Storytelling potential. Positive childhood experiences provide a rich source of storytelling material. By weaving narratives around childhood memories, marketers and copywriters can create engaging, memorable, and impactful stories that captivate the audience. Storytelling rooted in positive childhood experiences allows for deep emotional connections and resonates strongly with the reader. 6. Establish brand identity. Discussing positive childhood experiences can be an effective way to establish and reinforce a brand's identity. By aligning brand messaging with the values, beliefs, and emotions associated with childhood, marketers and copywriters can create a distinctive brand personality that sets them apart from competitors. This strengthens brand recognition, loyalty, and long-term customer engagement.
Examples of using positive childhood experiences in sales copy and marketing. These sentence examples demonstrate how marketers and copywriters can leverage positive childhood experiences to evoke emotions, trigger nostalgia, and create persuasive sales copy that resonates with their audience's memories and desires. Rediscover the joy of your favorite childhood toy with our modern and innovative version. Unlock the magic of imagination and creativity with our interactive storytelling products. Revisit the sense of wonder and adventure as you explore our nature-inspired outdoor gear. Transport yourself back to carefree summers with our nostalgic ice cream flavors. Remember the excitement of your first bike ride and experience it again with our top-notch bicycles. Recall the joy of playing in the rain and embrace it with our waterproof outdoor apparel. Relive the taste of your mom's homemade cookies with our delicious, freshly baked treats. Rekindle the memories of family gatherings with our traditional, home-style recipes. Rediscover the thrill of collecting cards with our limited edition trading card sets. Take a trip down memory lane with our retro-inspired fashion collection. Remember the freedom of riding a skateboard and relive it with our high-performance skateboards. Revisit the laughter and fun of board games with our engaging and entertaining options. Recall the joy of building forts and unleash your creativity with our construction toy sets. Immerse yourself in the nostalgia of classic arcade games with our retro gaming consoles. Rediscover the happiness of blowing bubbles with our premium bubble blowing kits. Transport yourself to magical worlds with our fantasy-themed books and novels. Remember the thrill of receiving a surprise gift and share that excitement with our mystery boxes. Relive the comfort of cuddling a stuffed animal with our soft and huggable plush toys. Rekindle the love for arts and crafts with our DIY kits and craft supplies. Rediscover the joy of playing outdoors with our eco-friendly, sustainable outdoor toys. Recall the sense of accomplishment when you completed your first puzzle and challenge yourself with our mind-boggling puzzles. Revisit the hours of imaginative play with our play sets that recreate beloved childhood scenes. Remember the taste of your favorite childhood cereal and indulge in our nostalgic breakfast selection. Immerse yourself in the world of superheroes with our action-packed comic book series. Rediscover the thrill of conquering imaginary lands with our immersive video game experiences. Transport yourself to the enchanting realm of fairy tales with our beautifully illustrated storybooks. Relive the anticipation of opening surprise packages with our curated subscription boxes. Rekindle the love for outdoor adventures with our camping and hiking essentials. Remember the delight of flying a kite and enjoy the freedom of the skies with our high-quality kites. Recall the magic of holiday traditions with our festive-themed decorations and accessories. Rediscover the taste of childhood favorites with our collection of nostalgic candy and snacks. Revisit the excitement of collecting stamps with our unique and rare stamp sets. Relive the thrill of discovering hidden treasures with our geocaching adventure kits. Remember the joy of playing dress-up with our imaginative costumes and accessories. Transport yourself to the world of classic fairy tales with our interactive storytelling apps. Rekindle the love for science experiments with our educational and engaging STEM kits. Rediscover the thrill of outdoor play with our durable and fun playground equipment. Recall the happiness of family movie nights with our extensive collection of family-friendly films. Immerse yourself in the nostalgia of retro video games with our vintage gaming consoles. Take a trip down memory lane with our compilation of hit songs from your childhood era. Remember the joy of building with blocks and create amazing structures with our building sets. Revisit the excitement of learning to ride a bike with our beginner-friendly balance bikes. Rediscover the taste of your favorite childhood snack with our organic and wholesome alternatives. Relive the thrill of playing in the snow with our high-quality winter sports equipment. Transport yourself to imaginary worlds with our immersive virtual reality experiences. Recall the delight of playing with water toys and create lasting summer memories with our water play essentials. Rekindle the love for music with our range of musical instruments and beginner-friendly tutorials. Rediscover the joy of creating art with our comprehensive art supplies and instructional books. Remember the adventure of exploring the great outdoors with our camping and hiking gear. Immerse yourself in the nostalgia of classic cartoons with our exclusive DVD collections.